So many of us have been through a flight journey. And before boarding the flight, you have to get your cabin baggage checked. So I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't carry cabin baggage at this point of time. So as we know, in a security check, both your baggage and you are checked. Now let's come down to the baggage part of it. If there is any kind of electronics or any kind of things which is not desirable, the CISF or the security staff will ask you to remove those things and place it on a tray for further examination through the conveyor belt. So these trays I just spoke about are frequently sanitized with chemicals to kill these germs, but at the same time, if you look at it, your belongings are coming in contact with these chemicals and you are also coming in contact with these chemicals as we speak. And not only that, number two is, as these trays are being reused, there's a high chance that you might come in contact with these COVID germs as well. Now another thing which I would like to say is you're also saving on time if you're not carrying any cabin baggage. So you just walk through without any luggage. You don't have to stand in line for the conveyor belt, and you can just walk through the security. You can get yourself checked, and then you're just saving a lot of time in that. And also, some of you might say that your shoes, belts, jackets, etc. are being checked anyway, so you will come in contact anyway. So there's a solution to that also. You don't wear thick soled shoes, that is one, so they won't be checked. If you're wearing digital watches, replace them with normal watches so that they are not checked again. Also, avoid wearing jackets at this point of time so that you don't have to pass it through the conveyor belts. You can always carry all these things in your checked in baggage. And also try wearing belts with less metal on it. You can have these cloth belts for now. Guys, I know I have made your life a bit more difficult by sharing these tips, but even the airlines these days are promoting non-carriage of these cabin baggages. But of course you can carry them, no one is really stopping you as such these days, but it is only for your safety, guys. Be safe out there, travel safe, fly safe. Happy landings, guys. Bye bye.